Hello friend, welcome back. If you're looking for something which can help you with the steps, screenshot to reproduce the bug and something like Selenium IDE, then this is the tutorial which will help you to get everything what you are looking for. TestCase Studio, one of the highest rated browser recorder plugin, record and play now you can say it, which will help you to automatically get the steps to file a bug, screenshot, system information, and also now it has a feature to rerun that test case, and it is absolutely stable, 100% safe and secure. It doesn't save any of your data. It runs offline in your local browser. It's a very simple browser extension, absolutely free. Here on SelectorsHub website you can find it. Click on add to Chrome, or if you want to install it in any other browser you can click on add to other browsers as well. So let's say on Chrome we want to install this. Here you can add to Chrome, add extension. You can see that 80,000 testers already using it. Now it's got successfully installed on your browser. Once it is installed, you click on this extension icon here. By default it will not show in the toolbar, and then you can pin it to toolbar. Now it's available here. Now you go to any other website or any page, just open any page and start your testing as usual. What you have to do before you start your testing, just click on the logo here, and you see that this is how the window of TestCase Studio will open. Now you just start your testing. Like let's say you click on this, you enter some value here. Whatever you will be doing, everything will be capturing here. Password, it will be automatically masked in the sentences. So you see that everything will be captured. Anything you will click here, all things will be recorded. Like if you right click anywhere, let's say you right click here, that will also capture here. Now you just either click on this logo here again, so it will show you the window, and here you see that steps are very much in plain English sentences which can easily be directly pasted into developer, or you can directly paste in Jira. Here your data is there, XPath, CSS selector. Now it also has the playwright locators, native playwright locators. So if you are want to automate this particular test case, you have all things ready here. You have the screenshot with each and every step highlighted here. You see that enter this into password field. So you don't have to go and manually take the screenshot as well. You just right click, copy image, save image, everything you can do it here. Here you have the system information, that like what was the browser version, what was the OS version, everything you have it handy here. If you want to document it, you can simply download this, click on save button here. It will download this, all the data in Excel file here, CSV file. And if you want to rerun this test case, this got an amazing feature here. You can run this test case. While running you can pause, stop, everything you can do. This is normal speed. By default you want to keep that window open after execution, you can keep it open, or if you want to close, you can close as well. You can select from here. You can export the script and you can import that script to rerun in future. So let me just click on run button and show you that how it will execute. It has opened the window, and this will be a kind of like playwright script which you guys can utilize. And here you see that it has performed all the steps which the tool was doing. So you see that all steps passed, all 11 steps completed successfully. So this is how it will execute your test case as well. You can rerun that, and you see, like, if those who have used the Selenium IDE, you know that how stable this tool is. Generally, like in that tool, most of the time when you rerun the script, it used to fail. Like the email field, this is a dynamic email field here on our page. We have created this as a dynamic. The ID of this field is dynamic. Like if you refresh the page, it get changed. But here in this test case, because it has a feature that it automatically also generate a backup locators for each and every element, so that like when the script execute, it doesn't fail, it tries something new. Here it has more features, like you can pause the script, like you can pause the recording. You can add more filter like XPath, CSS selector with what attribute you want, that you can choose from here. Under settings you have more features, like you can generate in BDD format as well. You can change the keywords. of the steps, like it's used to record the steps, like right click on this particular field. If you want to change, you want to say that right click at this, then now it will record as right click at that field name. So those features are there. You can click on this change to BDD format, and now if you will record these steps, it will record in BDD format as well. Like if you go back, delete all these steps and you perform any action here, it will record in that BDD format here. You see that when the user open this, then the user scroll down and then the user click on any field, it will record in that particular format here. Okay, here you have a feature like if any step got recorded by mistake, you can delete that. If you want to add any step, you can add a step in between. All those things are here. If you don't want to take the screenshot, you can keep it off. So this is amazing tool which will help you to get these steps, screenshot, system information automatically. And what you have to do just before you start your testing, the only thing you have to click on this logo, that's all. You don't have to do anything extra. So this is the TestCase Studio, guys, which will help you for your documentation, getting the steps to reproduce the bug. There's no back and forth thinking in the mind what were those steps due to which you could due to which you get this bug or anything. You don't have to think anything. You automatically get everything ready here in this tool. Okay, so I'm sure like you guys will love this particular tool. This is the TestCase Studio, guys, available here in the SelectorsHub website. You can go and install this, and the pro version is also available for this particular tool. So if you are want to explore more here under pro plans, you can see this TestCase Studio Pro version as well. A quick comparison between free and pro. Like in free version, when you close your test case, like get deleted automatically, while in pro version, whatever you record, everything will remain there in your local browser. So next time when you open it, used to like you can continue recording from that particular step or that particular like you can resume the recording. Basically you get you can record multiple test case. You have a lot of customization. You can directly upload create tickets in Jira, TestRail or Azure or any test management tool. You can customize the template, you can add column, delete column, you can rename the column. You have a lot more customization in pro version here. So this is the TestCase Studio Pro. You have more options, more formats to download, you have more features in a screenshot. So all those things are available in pro version. So you guys can try if you want to explore the pro version as well. If you want to continue with free, you can continue with the free version. So this is the TestCase Studio, guys, one of the best recorder plugin, one of the highest rated recorder plugin. Everything is safe and secure. We don't save any data. It doesn't save any of your data in the cloud or anywhere. All the information, all the data remains in your local browser. You can see here in the privacy policy. Also, we have created blog. If you need any information, you can always reach out to us. You can contact us and we will be more than happy to help you with all your questions. With that, thank you so much.